Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is rupees 81,000 crore Great Nicobar project is planned over 166 square kilometers. Nicobar tribal concerns on NCST table again. Island Council flags unanswered concerns. The concern around the future of the tribal lands and the forest rights to be impacted by the Great Nicobar Island mega project have landed once again on the table of the chairperson of National Commission of Scheduled Tribe (NCST). Now, the National Tribal Council (NCT) has once again raised serious concerns over the 21,000 crore Great Nicobar Island Development Project, alleging that key issues related to tribal rights, forest diversion, and environmental impact remain unanswered by authorities. The project spans over 166 square kilometers and includes a transshipment port, international airport, township, defense infrastructure, and power plants. The NCT argues that the administration proceeded without properly addressing objections raised under the Forest Rights Act (FRA) 2006. Now, particularly regarding recognition of tribal and community forest rights, according to the council, no effective consultation was conducted and representations made since 2022 were either ignored or inadequately addressed. The project area overlaps with the ancestral lands of the Nicobarese tribes, who are still recovering from 2004 tsunami and remain socio-economically vulnerable. Now, the Tribal Council's latest petition to NCST dated December 6 was promptly a November 26 interview of NCST chairperson Antar Singh Arya published in the Indian Express, in which he said that the commission has not received any representation regarding the council's withdrawal of no objection of the notification of tribal reserve and diversification of forests in the project. The Tribal Council chairman Barnamas Bas Manju has drawn the NCST attention to the Council of 21st July complaint to the Jewel Oram Union Minister of Tribal Affairs, which has flagged that Andaman Nicobar Island administration made a false claim about the sentiment of forest right and tribal communities. The chairman stated that the claims on settlements of rights under Forest Rights Act 2006 were made even as the process of recognition of rights had not even begin on the islands. Now, the council also expressed concerns large-scale forest diversion over 130 square kilometers is in revised plans, impact on tribal reserves and ecologically sensitive zones, lack of transparency and alleged concealments of facts, potential displacement and cultural erosion of indigenous communities. The issue highlighted the tension between strategic infrastructure development and constitutional protection of tribal communities and fragile ecosystems as well. The rupees 21,000 crore Nicobar project infrastructure project planned over 160 square meter involves diversion of 130 square kilometers of forest land. Now, let us understand the UPSC relevance of the topic. So, this becomes highly relevant for GS paper 2, which is polity and governance, GS paper 3, environment and development, and GS paper 1, society as well. And for SC paper also, this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.